Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about common size balance sheet. If you see page number 190 of the PDF which I have already given to you, you will see the format of common size balance sheet. The format of common size balance sheet. And how do we prepare common size balance sheet? Let us today study about the format of common size balance sheet. Again, there are 4 columns. You will see particulars. You will see previous year, current year. Now in comparative balance sheet, you must have been studied that in comparative balance sheet there is a column of absolute change and percentage change, but in this we will prepare both the column of percentage change. Here also we prepare percentage change, previous year, current year. This is a format of common size balance sheet. We take balance sheet total as common factor. We take balance sheet total as common factor. So what is the difference between comparative balance sheet? In comparative balance sheet you draw particulars, previous year, current year, absolute change, percentage change. But in common size balance sheet we prepare particulars, previous year, current year, percentage change and percentage change. In both the columns we write percentage change, previous year, current year, right? So let us take this with the help of an example. How do we prepare this? If you can look at this common size balance sheet, here as you know there is a side of equity and liabilities. इसमें क्या क्या आता है? शेयर होल्डर्स फंड, फिर उसके अंदर एक दो आइटम्स आती हैं, देन नॉन करंट लायबिलिटी, करंट लायबिलिटी, इसके बीच में एक और आता है एप्लीकेशन मनी पेंडिंग अलॉटमेंट. नॉर्मली इन क्वेश्चंस में यू विल नॉट फाइंड दैट आइटम. तो इसमें सपोज हमें ये दे रखा है 5 लाख, ये में दे रखा है 3 लाख, ये में दे रखा है 2 लाख, ये में दे रखा है 1 लाख, सपोज ये दे रखा है हमें 7 लाख, ये दे रखा है हमें 10 लाख. Let us take a simple figure. Take it as 3 lakh and 6 lakh. So it will give us 10 lakh total. Here also 10 lakh total. Then we prepare assets. ये आपको पूरा ये फॉर्मेट आपको पूरा क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगा. ये तो पूरा कॉपी करना आपको, जैसे आपने कंपैरेटिव बैलेंस शीट में कॉपी किया था, सेम थिंग. बट दीज टू कॉलम्स आर डिफरेंट. In assets you will see non current assets, current assets. इसमें कुछ आइटम्स होती हैं. सपोज उनकी फिगर ले लेते हैं हम 5 लाख और 5 लाख. सपोज फिगर ले लेते हैं 4 लाख, 6 लाख, देन 10 लाख, 10 लाख, राइट. अब ये परसेंटेज कैसे निकालेंगे? लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. Divide each item of that particular year from balance sheet total. Each item divided by balance sheet total. क्या करते हैं इसमें? Divide each item by balance sheet total into 100. Right? Each item by balance sheet total into 100. तो कैसे? 5 lakh upon 10 lakh into 100, then 2 by 10, 2 lakh upon 10 lakh into 100, then 3 lakh upon 10 lakh into 100, then 3 lakh upon 10 lakh into 100, and so on. and so on. This is how we prepare common size balance sheet. We have to divide each item by total. हर आइटम को किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? उस ईयर के टोटल से. So is it clear? Common size balance sheet. Thank you.